Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds EARFUN Free Pro free with your Android device. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. Now at the top, if you have this button, you need to click pair new device button. Not all Android phones have it, maybe you need to only enter to the Bluetooth. I need to click on it, then open the charging case. If your earbuds don't connect it with another devices, they will enter to pairing mode automatically and you will see them at the device list. We can also enter to pairing mode manually. Inside the case, right here we have connection button. You need to press and hold it for at least 3 seconds. 1, 2, and 3, and the LED light on your earbuds start blinking blue, meaning that you enter to pairing mode. After that, tap at your earbuds at the device list, and then click pair. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!